Umentri katnat taxation ujiam Sangma henne kesni ka absantrik urisau ulong ba ka Sorkar jela kalaya Syahmat ban Pynkhreh ya ka draft jong ka ordinance na ka benta ban Pyndam no ya ka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2008 kane kadai ka ba kibot haba ka assembly kamdan ya ka dorbar ban thawan ne na ka benta kinu kidaw ban Pyndam no ya ka an kabala don lupa kan hab banya lemba ka ordinance ong songma ya kinong tho khubor ula ban rap da ka ba ong ban Pyndam no ya ka kalong kabakalan bha banyak bawan ra ya kaan bathmai ni ko ordinance la ban kadau bah Khalai tadi urisau ka Sorkar jela kalasim ya karai ban Pyndam no ya ka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2008 hadian babun kijing pensngau nagi pai ba jong kejela ya ka jingmam sngau ya hab ya ka ni kaan umentri taxation ulai thu baya ka ni karai lasim na ka benta ka jimento jong kejela ulo ongru bah hadian katu kat ni benai hadian baya ka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2008 ladap ban menjur kladon kijing pensngau na baro kiliang habayadei bakalong kakam bat kajing kita na kanikaan.
After I have discussed this matter with my senior colleagues and also with the Honorable CM, I have initiated the process also, and today the department is in the process of preparing the draft ordinance for the repeal of the Meghalaya Gaming Act. So this is the process. Whenever assembly session is not there, then to enact any law, or for that matter in this case to repeal an existing law, it has to take the route of an ordinance. So that's the process that we have initiated, and the process is ongoing as we speak.